What up, everybody? I'm back. I'm gonna go for a little spin because I'm probably really not gonna take this out to work tonight. Quick little spin. So, got my printer ink. And that was very quick. Now, due to inspection reasons, I'm gonna have to go back to stock. Lights back to stock, because these don't say DOT or SAE on them, so I'm pretty much being forced to go back to stock, all for inspection. Very unfortunate. Yep. I wish I didn't have to, but I'm gonna try to find another spot that'll let this go, because the last place was just very, very ridiculous. To take it off because I'm too lazy, but if they can't pass me, then I have no choice. And I will have to put everything back to stock after that, which is okay, I guess. It's just a couple of bolts to remove, put back on. This way, so we'll go for a little ride. There's a red light. I got a green light. Let's go. Second gear, third, fourth, fifth. Get in this lane. here. First, back to first. It's a bit windy. Maybe if I put everything back to stock, I will I'll do a video on it and show everyone the process of me putting everything back to stock. Oh shit, pothole. My first now. Second. Third. Soccer tournament. Ooh, it's a lot of them. Oh, bug smash on my windshield. Haha. Can't catch me. Oh, that first to second quick shift is, oh, that's why I don't really like to go from first to second on the quick shift. I usually clutch it. It's easier on the clutch. Going that way, I'm not gonna get a good ride. Really want an ECU flash this year. And other thing I really would love to get is a freaking gear indicator. I hate guessing. Sometimes I know, sometimes I don't, but I hate guessing. And I really wish I had one, but all the generic ones are so, I hear, like, are so cheap, and they just, like, they malfunction fast. So I'm like very iffy. I'm out. Oh, picks up so fast. Maybe I might not need a ECU flash. Yeah, I do need one. I'm gonna get one, I don't care. What do you guys think? Get the ECU flash or leave it? I mean, I don't really go out to the track. I don't have the money for the track. One day, maybe, but well, I don't know. What do you guys think? Yes to the ECU flash or no? And for my inspection, should I go back to stock just for the inspection, or look for some spot that'll just pass me and I don't have to change out everything into stock? What do you guys think? I don't know. Ultimately, it's my decision, but like, what would you guys do? What would you guys do? Yeah, I'm already in 6th gear. This is just cruising. Do I really need an ECU flash? Like, come on. These bikes are already fast, like. But then, oh, one downside to not having an ECU flash is the engine braking. The engine braking is so, look at that, it's so harsh. Like, oh my god, I slow down so fast and I don't like it.